Hi, just a quick piece of information. You've just got your new Dell PC from PC to you, and it won't switch on. You plug it in and nothing comes on screen. When you plug it in, switch it on, and it gives a horrible beeping sound. Like that. Both of these things are usually down to loose RAM. This can happen in transit, so the couriers dropped the box a bit too heavy, and the RAM's worked loose. Here's what to do. It's fairly simple. I'll show you now. It'll only take a second. So first off, switch off your PC. I don't want to get electrocuted. Then we need to open it up. So around the side, pull back this lever, and it pops open the case. Okay, we can then lift that up. You see the inside of the PC. Now right in there, the two RAM chips. What we're going to do is just pull them out, swap them over, put them back in, and it should all work again. Now to pull out the CD drive, just lift up this lever, push back, and this lifts out. Just flip it over the back there. That gives us now room that we can access these two RAM chips. And here, just flip back either side of those white tabs, clear out those cables, and you should just see they pull straight out. Okay. And what I'm going to do is just swap them over, just put them into the slot, the opposite slot that they came out of, and push it in. They only go in one way. Push it in, and then push it right home, and you'll hear it click on both sides. Do the same with the other. Click, click, and that should be it. Put the drive back in, put the lid back on, close it down, and now hopefully it all starts up. You should be able to see. Oh, it's over on this screen. There we go. It's all starting up now. I hope this helped.